るよ。ちゃんと美術となさい。Smile. This is my herb, guys. I'm planting oregano. And I have here mint, peppermint. And I'm also have here thyme. Yes, this is good for body, and I always use it for my cooking. Like pizza or something like meat. Okay, and I'm using here herb soil. Okay, and I have to put some water. Should be fully water. Okay, that's all. And it will grow more after 1 week. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.